Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We are back here with another update from the Fun Pimps, and this time it is for version 1.3 experimental B6. If you are enjoying the update videos that I bring along with it as they come out, feel free to leave a like as well as subscribe because we will have more updates coming. And if you did not know, I also run a series on the channel. Right now we are going through Rebirth, which has been a blast. With this new version of 7 Days to Die Experimental, it does say here that they have officially passed to CRT for their Japanese PlayStation 5 version of the game, and this update mostly concentrates on gore updates and improvements. The Fun Pimps wishes everyone a great weekend and much fun with this update. The first thing they show here is how to set up the new experimental version of the game. I'm just going to pull up my Steam right here, and we will quickly go through that way you can see how it's supposed to be done. So 7 Days to Die is pulled up. There's two ways you can actually do this. The first way, you'll see it says selected version 1.1. If I click on V1.1, it will bring me exactly to where I need to go. Beta participation, just click right here and you want to choose a latest experimental unstable build. Now the way they show us how to do it, you're going to go over here to your game, you're going to right click, go down to properties, and then you're going to come to betas. Once you come here, we'll be in that same spot. So click on the drop down, and most likely you're probably on version 1.2. Well, you want to come up here to latest experimental. We will click on that and we will close it, and you'll see at the bottom it's starting to do the update. So we're going to let that run in the background. Now it's time to see what all they've added, changed, and fixed. And I will say at the end, after we go over everything, I will go into the game and show the changes that they were talking about. So stay tuned for that. What they've added here, they've put texture and material variants for several zombies and gore blocks for the PlayStation 5 Japanese rating only. The console command to enable this, if you're playing on PC, is going to be TCC, and you can be used at the main menu for those who would like to toggle Japanese gore variants on PC, Linux, and Mac versions. And they've added gore to the Fat Hawaiian. Some things they've changed is the random world generation preview quality to high on console devices, and then also there is show readable error when trying to add duplicate entity class names, and an improved lots of dismemberment pieces. And lastly, the things they fixed is the NRE when starting the game with EOS disabled, button localization on player list block players were the wrong way around, mod event player spawn in world not called for listen server host player. This is mostly back end stuff. The PlayStation 5 crashed when exiting the game, and they've changed the default game core save storage provider back to blobs to avoid rare save corruption on Xbox. That's actually pretty big for people on Xbox because I would be very upset if my save game got destroyed. Some level design tools cannot be unchecked. PlayStation 5 game can hang during startup. Unable to clear School 3 Grover High, plus large combat performance improvements. The XUI reloading main menu causes exception, and they've adjusted issues with some dismemberment pieces. We are now inside the game, and I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the things that they've said they have added. So if this is something you do not want to see, because it could be a spoiler if you're wanting to enjoy it for the first time without seeing it here, I would say go ahead, exit out of the video. I appreciate you watching. If you did enjoy it again, go ahead, feel free to leave a like, and I forgot to turn off the AI. Well, for everyone else, let's go ahead and check out the dismemberment for the Hawaiian. Oh, wow. Okay, so now his face rips off, kind of like some other zombies, so that's cool. Let's go ahead and get another one here. Now, we have 4 more Hawaiians here. We're going to test out some things because, again, it's been a while since I played just regular vanilla, since I've been doing mods. But I think it said it added dismemberment, so let's go ahead and try to see if we can't break a leg. There we go. The 4th time was the charm. So we were able to break the leg. Can you go away? Thank you. So we have his foot still on the ground. Oh, foot left. And he has no foot there. Cool. So you can break the legs. Now, what about the arm? Yep, and we can break apart the arm too. He has no arm. All right, well, your service is not needed, so goodbye. Now, what we're going to try to do, I'm going to go to the command line, and it was TCC. So this command right here, it says sensor testing enabled true. So I wonder what that's going to change. Let's go ahead and spawn in some more zombies. Okay, we have more zombies in here. The first thing I want to try is the head pop. So are we going to lose the face again? Nope, he still has his. Oh, okay, so he didn't lose his face, like being ripped off, but his head is gone. So does that mean for a Japanese PlayStation version, they're not going to have their face ripped off and just heads flying? That would be interesting. Now, can we still dismember the legs? Well, that's a yes, we can. How about the arm? Yep, we're still able to take the arm off too. So I wonder if the only thing they've changed was just the head thing. Because the leg still came off. I mean, it's not bleeding as much, like gushing. So that might be it. But yeah, so that's it. And again, you just go into your command line. If you're on PC, hit F1 and you just type in TCC. For us, it will show that it is now false, meaning it's been turned off. But those are the updates that the Fun Pits have put into version 1.3. Hopefully you can enjoy it, and if you've liked playing the game but didn't like all the gore, maybe this could help you out. If you did enjoy the video, feel free to leave a like as well as subscribe, because we will have more 7 Days to Die content coming your way, more news as it comes out. And again, we're doing playthroughs of Rebirth right now. The upload is Monday, Wednesday, Fridays. And also I do stream on this channel. We do different survival games. Before we went ahead, we beat Subnautica, and right now we're working through the survival game called Raft. After that, we're not sure yet, but we'll see when the time comes. But again, did hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll catch you in the next one.